talk about here. Let me.
Take
I have
over.
some.
I mean, just being around this space, what do you think goes on here? Because I kind of talked to Doug and George. But
Fucking-
Well, we should explain what the place looks like to the audio.
actually, yeah,
audience.
Jules, could you describe?
Oh
this?
yeah, let's have Jules clap the boat. This place.
Clap the boat. Give me a spider.
What it looks like, it has a lot of Joshua tree.
That's the first thing you notice with that. All that up right there.
Literally from where we're sitting, there's not a single Joshua
Oh.
tree inside.
There!
Oh yeah, there's one.
Jules like the one I've been looking
Yeah.
at the whole time.
There's one.
The one. There's so many Joshua one tree.
There's a dirty couch.
Ooh.
Okay.
A lot of trailers.
Can I tell you the first thing I noticed?
What?
Like the other day we were driving, we saw the sheep.
What sheet?
Sheep.
Oh, those are goats, babe.
Whatever.
Hey,
What's the difference?
tomato.
What's the difference?
There's a big difference. One's a goat, one's a sheep.
But they're white and fluffy.
No, they
Wait,
were
wait,
fluffy.
wait. Which one do you think
they
is
weren't
fluffy?
white.
Which
they were
one-
brown goats.
Okay, well now.
What?
Wait, what do you think the difference? If you had to figure it out, what is the difference between a sheep and a goat?
Okay, noise-wise, what sound does
Oh,
the goat make?
let's start
What
with
sound
noise.
does the sheep
Oh,
make?
goes. Right?
Cool.
And then sheep goes "Ee," like that.
Are you just doing vowels? Oh, E-I-O-U.
I already know Jules and I have the same exact answer.
Yeah.
Wait, what's the American sound for goats? No.
What is
Oh,
that?
that's the other one.
Horse.
That's a
That's
wait.
a
What the?
horse?
That's not a horse either.
Jules, when has a horse got?
Yeah. Let me see. Okay, let me do some animal sounds. I will try my best to do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And see what you think it is. All right. Moo.
Cow.
Cow.
Good.
Cow. Yeah.
Let's just do obvious ones first.
Oh,
Is that obvious?
good.
Chicken?
No.
I know this because I've
dog.
Yeah.
It's
What?
babe. It's not babe. That's
a
not how you
dog.
do ow. It's
a dog.
rough or ow ow.
Rough is.
Or ow ow. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yours is a little more exotic. Exotic dog. I don't
Yeah.
know.
All right. So my bad. Okay. So let's go.
It's a Chinese crested.
How about this one? This one, because I've been I try to do a bit about this, and so I went online. I went to YouTube to see what these animals sound like, and I could never get it down. But this is.
One more time, please.
Koala?
No.
Uh,
Close though.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
wrong.
hang
Close.
Kangaroo.
Wombat.
No.
Kangaroo.
No.
Hold on, it's got to be some Australian one now.
Is he throwing us off by saying it's close to koala?
No, I'm not. Well, I mean,
Koala is a similar sound.
Oh.
koala has a similar sound. Okay, let me narrow it down. All right. They definitely, you can find them on islands, right? And probably generally Papua New Guinea.
Tortoise.
It's the bird of paradise.
No.
Tortoise.
Oh.
Sloth.
Sloth makes that
they
sound?
They do sound like
They
that.
do.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, what other animal sounds? I want to
All
keep
right, so let's
guessing.
go back to animal sounds. All right.
I want to know what you think a goat sounds like again.
Um,
Not that far, actually. But that's more like a sheep.
Let's hear your goat, Koala.
Meh.
Oh.
Jules, how does a goat sound?
Meh.
Yeah, meh.
Meh.
And then a sheep is ba.
Oh.
right, like that?
Yeah, but goats are very specifically meh. Meh.
Meh.
Yeah.
We have so many goats in the
Okay, I don't know what these sound like, but I'm gonna just see if I can come up. Let me try to do it with my. All right.
Rhino?
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, because your hand, not the sound. the sound did nothing. It was you going, what do you think I am?
Oh, that's why I did that.
Yeah.
To help it out. I wanted to help out the sound. Okay. So, but I think that with my hand, because I don't know what these sound like, so I'm just coming up.
Chicken.
Right.
Chicken. Oh,
Oh,
my
God.
No. It's
I thought you said, "Oh my God, good."
covered. You think
I
that
thought
that's
Gilbert
how
was backing
chicken
me.
sounds?
I think it could be.
If they're just walking, chilling, without
No,
making big
no,
sounds.
specifically to me, that's more like a kawaii chicken, the brown ones.
No, they go buck, 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 buck.
That's what I'm familiar with.
Yeah,
If they're just chilling, right?
Yeah, I was doing a Kauai
But if
one.
they're trying to, like, if it's a rooster, it's definitely
Yeah.
tuk-tukao.
Oh.
Jules, do a proper tuk-tukao. That's not tuk-tukao, Jules.
Can I just say something?
What is
When
that?
Koala did that, I was expecting the same amount of syllables.
Yeah.
Jules just went,
I thought that was Celine Dion singing.
It's
All right. How about let's all do an animal. I don't even know if they make sounds, but let's just see if what you know what I mean. So, what would a turtle sound like?
Oh.
That's mine.
Don't turtles make that like when they're having sex? They go.
I've never seen turtles having sex skills. It's not my fetish.
Yeah, that's not
me
something
either.
that I look up on.
Me either.
Yeah.
God.
Wait. Let me ask you something.
What?
No. Let me ask you a question.
Claudio.
Claudio.
You know what they do?
No, why
before
would
they have
you
sex
know-
is they do this with their flippers. They face each other
Yes.
and they do this.
Wait. It's so hot they wave their hands
Can you,
across
They go
the
like
can you
this.
explain to him what like how they position? And it's a screech.
I've never, you might be right, Gil. There might be a screech, but I just know that they do this. with
Okay,
their
what am I doing
hands
right
on their
now?
Face.
Ribbit.
Frog.
Okay, good. That was a good
That's
one.
a universal thing, ribbit, I think.
Ribbit's universal.
Okay, well, I got one right. Let's see.
I think we should have a Tiger Belly Animal Sounds coffee book.
Please.
What does a bunny rabbit sound like?
I don't even know. I've never heard of bunny.
Uh,
That's all, folks. That's like about. That's the
exactly-
only bunny.
That's exactly.
Yeah, what's
exactly
up, Doc?
Oh.
Oh. What's up, Doc? Is more famous.
What's the other one? Then?
Yeah.
Is that the pig?
Yeah,
That's
you
all.
did Porky Pig.
I did Porky Pig. Sorry.
yeah.
Oink oink.
I was watching an Antique Roadshow yesterday, and a guy
Yeah.
fainted.
From what?
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. So he was in the he was stationed in Thailand during the Vietnam War, and he goes, you know what? I want to get a Rolex, and they were at the time it was $475, and he, they don't get paid that much, so he saved up all his money, he got it, and he said he spent so much money on it that he just put it in a fucking safe,